Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Lenovo IdeaPad 3 stuck on preparing automatic repair. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you fix this each year with your Lenovo IdeaPad 3? So there's a few things that you could try here before actually contacting support. So the first thing that you want to do here is to just basically wait it out. Sometimes the automatic repair process just takes a bit longer than expected, so let it run for at least 30 minutes to see if that completes on its own. Now remember, do not interrupt the process of preparing automatic repair here. Sometimes interrupting it can cause the actual issue, which in this case, if that happens, there's a few things that you could do as well. In this case, the first thing that you want to do next is you want to basically force a shutdown. Now, you want to hold and press the power button for about like 10 seconds. So depending on what device you have. So for the IdeaPad 3 here, it's usually at the top right here, the power button. So press and hold that for 10 seconds until the laptop turns off. Then you want to turn it back on to see if that boots up normally. Now, if that doesn't work, try getting into safe mode to troubleshoot it. So as the laptop is starting up, you want to keep pressing the F8 key, so usually in here, F8 key, or Shift F8 repeatedly. So depending on your model, but again, you want to press Shift F8 or F8 only. So this should take you to the advanced boot option menu, so where you can select safe mode to begin troubleshooting. Now, if none of those work, the next and best thing that you do here is to contact Lenovo support, because contacting support is the best way to do here, not to break your laptop further. So in this case, you want to go to the official website here for Lenovo, so go to lenovo.com. It will redirect you to their website, and from here, at the top right here, you have the option to contact support. Now, in this case, you could go and hover over the following numbers at the top right here. We have the option for business and home. You can even start a chat here. You can even go and click on the technical support option, and it'll give you an option here to detect your product and see some articles that you might want to detect or see here. So in this case, just click on the view support or view species support here, and you can go ahead and basically detect the product here. Or in this case, if you directly want to contact them, just click on contact us under support here at the very bottom, and basically either chat with them via this option, or you could go ahead and basically call them at the top right, like what you saw before. But yeah, in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.